Hello guys, so today I will teach you how to merge multiple independent graph into one graph using OriginPro. First we will open our Origin software. Then we will insert our data. So I will create 3 or 4 books or worksheet. Okay, I will insert the data one by one. Let's choose this data. Data for the second worksheet. Data for the third worksheet. You can add in one sheet, but I just want to teach you how to merge. That's why I am putting in separate worksheets. Okay, let's put also the fourth one. This is something different data. Yeah, so now we have 4 worksheets, so we can draw 4 graphs, and later we will merge the multiple independent 4 graph into the one graph. So let's make the graph for this one. Just select and choose the type of graph. I am choosing line plus symbol. So this is graph 1 for the worksheet 1. Okay, let's arrange into an order. This is graph 2 for the worksheet 2. This is graph 3 for the worksheet 3. This is the graph 4 for the worksheet 4. Okay, so you can adjust them according to your requirement. Like I am adjusting this axis from maybe 5 to 35 to, yeah. So now we have 4 graphs. We will merge them into one graph. You can like complete them, or you can also complete later. Let's keep 2 incomplete. Okay, now we will merge using single click. On the right hand side you can find the merge. Here is option, is showing merge selected graph window into one graph. So just click here. It will open another window which shows that merge graph window, merge graph. So you have to choose the graph which you want to merge into one graph. So I will choose all graph. Control, control, control. Then I will, you can also see the auto preview how they will look like in one graph. And here there are multiple options, like a number of rows. Like I can choose maybe 1 row, and then it will give us 4 columns. Let's see if it works or not. Yeah, but they are pretty small. And similarly you can choose 4, and here you can choose 1. Yeah, how they will look like into the graphs. It depends on your need. So directions, vertical first or horizontal first. Yeah, and this is the first option. And yeah, and then you can alter the ticks and labels, add extra layers if you want, keep the aspect ratio same, treat each source graph as a unit if you like, and link the graph. It's up to you, but normally you should choose the auto function. Then there is a spacing between the graphs. There is space, horizontal and vertical. You can choose up to your requirement. Then page setup, it's auto and like this. And scale elements you can also choose, but normally we will keep the same like auto function, and then just see. So this is your graph. I have chosen another like style, so let's change and again choose merge, choose the all graph, sorry, control shift. Okay, then I want to not like this, I want 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Yeah, so it will be like this. This is auto preview so that you can see how it looks like. So this is your graph. So 4 graphs are merged into one graph. You can again change their styles, anything you want. You can change their axes. You can change the title of the axis. You can also change the ticks on the axis. Anything you want, you can choose them. So at the end, instead of individual graph, you can just copy the graph as image, choose the type of image. It's a bit slow. Then paste here. Yeah, so all 4 graphs are merged into one independent graph. Thank you very much. If you have any comment or questions, feel free to drop me a message or comment.